This is the permanent site of Adamu Augie College of Education, Argumu. Adamu Augie College of Education, Argumu.
You are broadcaster.
This college has been opened in 1994, but actual teaching started in 1996, Honorable Minister. We have been staying in the temporary site for all these years. With the present government, under the leadership of Alhaji Usman Nasser Akingari, the contract has been awarded in this permanent site for this important college. This college has a mandate. The mandate, sir, is to produce professional and competent teachers who will handle our primary schools and junior secondary schools in Kebbi State. Therefore, for this, the contract has been awarded at the cost of over 358 million naira. The site has, there was a little bit difficulty in obtaining the site from the beginning. But when everything was all right, the work now has started in earnest. We hope the completion will be soon. This contract consists of student hostels, which will take the minimum of 500 students. In this house, 3. 2-bedroom house, 2. And the other accessories behind this have been given for this exercise. Soon, we hope our students will be here immediately the work is completed. Thank you.
When do you want to have it here?
We hope to have our students towards the end of this year if the work is non-stop.
And I am promising I will finish it before that time. Be careful. Those people standing there. Look at the bridge behind you.
I'd like to know the arrangement for water provision for this school, for the students. If there's water, then that sounds good. And then if there's anything like fencing, the fencing. Do you intend to fence the school, sir? Perfect. No, we started coming in from there.
Which reporter had?
I had it. I heard what you said.
Thank you very much. I'm Bilkisu Abdurazak Udoye. He said the school opened in 1994 and actually started teaching in 1996, but at the temporary site. This is the permanent site that they're trying to move to, and the governor was the one that awarded the contract. About 2 months? This year? I don't know. About 2 months.
2 months ago. So how sure are we this contract is going to be finished at the time? Okay.
Let me answer this. In Kebbi State, let me swear by God. Come. Let me swear by God. We have never started any contract that we have not finished. None is abandoned in my government. No contract has been abandoned since I started.
I'm Sanusi Sheikh Umar. Looking at the way and manner the work is moving at this permanent site, one can be rest assured that in the next 5, 6, 7 months, things will become into 70, 80 stage completion. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, Your Excellency.
No, I'm not sleeping, sir. Your Excellency, sir, talking about running of the courses, opening of the school. What of the standard? What is the status of the accreditation of all the courses to be offered? The status of the accreditation.
Are you the provost? Tell your name. You should be the one talking.
My name is Abakar Mohammed Zaga, the provost of this college. To be frank, there's no single college that has been accredited fully. So, and we always make sure that accreditation full, all our programs are fully accredited. None, exactly. Thank you.
Well, Your Excellency, Governor Dakingari, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to be here. This College of Education, Adamu Augie College of Education, a veteran broadcaster. We're happy because the major problem in northern Nigeria today is education. Our major problem is education. And this is because we have not taken teacher training seriously. You can't run education without good teachers. You can't run education without standard teachers. And I have continued to emphasize the point that state governments must take teacher training seriously. Once the quality of teachers is down, you can take it for granted that the quality of students will be poor. So I'm happy that you are making this investment to create the environment for this College of Education. Please, particularly for primary education, because the problem we're having in this country today is primary education. Public schools are not delivering standard pupils for secondary school, and public secondary schools are not delivering standard students for universities. That is the problem. Once we tackle primary education and put it on sound foundation, I can assure you that secondary education, university education is easier. And all local government chairmen, nothing is as important as a primary school that is well supervised, well administered. So this is the problem. And I'm happy that here we are seeing evidence of investment in education. We just left a secondary school, a modern school, and we're here at the College of Education, which started about 3 months ago and is already above linter level. And we are talking about completing this by the end of this year. And even swearing that no project has been abandoned in Kebbi. This, for me, is very significant. Very, very significant. So we will continue to go around to see what is going on. And like I said, we're in Kebbi to report progress. And because states like Kebbi, hardly people come here. The media don't report states that are outside the centers of the media. We saw this in the places we went, and we discovered that the states that are backwaters are doing well. You know, there are people who specialize on performing on pages of newspapers. There are others who are working very seriously on ground. And that's why we decided on this good governance tour. Let's match statements with work on ground. I thank you for your attention.